What's up guys, and today we're making teriyaki chicken. First step, we're gonna make up my teriyaki marinade sauce, which I'll leave the ingredients for how I make it in the description. It's basically just soy sauce, dry sherry, peanut oil, and some more. First step, what I'm doing here, which some people do differently, I'm just kind of giving the garlic, ginger, and orange zest a light saute for a couple minutes. And then once I saute this up some, I'm gonna add in all my liquid ingredients and the rest of my garlic and ginger in there and stuff. And I'm gonna bring it to a simmer. I'll get you. Alright guys, next I added my liquid. And just give this a good stir. Alright guys, next we're gonna take the cooked off teriyaki sauce, put it over. Just gonna baste the chicken. Yeah, bud. Alright, what's up guys? Remember you basted all the teriyaki sauce, and now it's time to keep it. When the chicken's done cooking, grilled, put it in a bowl, serve with white rice. I'll get ya. What's up guys? I'm gonna make teriyaki chicken with some white rice with some sauteed onion in it, a little bit of lemon juice, and some salt and white pepper.